It's Chris Scheetz along with Doug. We're at the South Park Goodwill location and we're talking about donating or, again, buying clothes. And boy, oh boy, you've got a huge selection, don't you?
A huge selection of clothes that have been donated that you can buy, and it's par for the course, I believe.
All right, we've got a special guest coming out of the fitting room, Matt Debeurs. Look at that, all of these clothes he picked out here. He's a big golfer, and as you can see, you can't get a tan at Goodwill, but you can get everything else, so that's a good thing. And election season is coming up. We don't want to know who anybody's voting for, but you found a shirt that makes a real statement. Okay, go ahead. Oh man, I'm sorry about that part. Yes, vote Dog. He's a good boy.
Number one in our hearts and our minds.
All right.
Good boy Dog.
It's a party we can all agree on, and it's also a place we can all agree on. This is a fantastic location, and they're all great locations. If you want more information, where you need to go.
Goodwill.ab.ca.